Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering productivity, create a custom system that works. Lecture 5. In this lecture, we will learn about time management and prioritization, the importance of effective time management, analyzing and categorizing tasks based on importance and urgency, prioritizing tasks and managing deadliness techniques for managing distractions and interruptions, maximizing productivity during different times of the day. Conclusion: the importance of effective time management. Effective time management is crucial in today's fast-paced world. With so many demands on our time, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. However, by managing our time effectively, we can reduce stress, increase productivity, and achieve our goals. In order to manage our time effectively, we need to be aware of how we're spending our time. This means tracking our activities and identifying areas where we can make changes. It also means setting priorities and making sure we're focusing on the most important tasks first. Analyzing and categorizing tasks based on importance and urgency. One of the most effective tools for managing time is the Eisenhower matrix, which categorizes tasks based on their level of importance and urgency. This matrix was developed by former U.S. President Dwight D. Eisenhower, who famously said, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." The matrix consists of 4 quadrants: important and urgent, important but not urgent, not important but urgent, and not important and not urgent. By categorizing tasks into these quadrants, individuals can prioritize their work and focus on tasks that are both important and urgent. For example, tasks in the important and urgent quadrant may include meeting a deadline or responding to an urgent email, while tasks in the not important and not urgent quadrant may include browsing social media or watching television. Prioritizing tasks and managing deadlines. Effective time management requires the ability to prioritize tasks and manage deadlines. One useful strategy is to categorize tasks based on their level of importance and urgency using the Eisenhower matrix. This helps to identify which tasks are most critical and require immediate attention. Another helpful technique is to break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. This makes it easier to stay focused and motivated, as well as to track progress and stay on schedule. Additionally, setting realistic deadlines and creating a schedule or timeline can help to ensure that tasks are completed on time and with high quality. Techniques for managing distractions and interruptions. Distractions and interruptions can be major obstacles to productivity, but they are also a fact of life. Whether it's a co-worker stopping by your desk to chat or the constant pinging of notifications on your phone, these interruptions can quickly derail your focus and make it difficult to get anything done. Fortunately, there are practical techniques you can use to manage these distractions and stay on task. One effective strategy is to set aside specific times of the day for checking email and social media, rather than constantly monitoring them throughout the day. Another technique is to create a distraction-free environment by using noise-canceling headphones or finding a quiet space to work. By being mindful of these common distractions and implementing these techniques, you can improve your productivity and achieve more in less time. Maximizing productivity during different times of the day. Our energy levels and focus are not constant throughout the day. Research shows that we have natural peaks and dips in our productivity levels. For example, many people tend to be most productive in the morning, while others experience a burst of energy in the afternoon. To maximize productivity during peak times, It's important to identify when you feel most energized and focused. This could involve keeping a log of your energy levels throughout the day or simply paying attention to when you feel most alert. Once you've identified your peak times, try to schedule your most important tasks during those periods. On the other hand, during low-energy periods, it's important to minimize distractions and conserve your energy. This could involve taking short breaks, going for a walk, or doing a low-energy task that doesn't require much mental effort. Conclusion: to create an effective time management plan, it's important to keep in mind the key principles of prioritization, organization, and focus. By following these principles, you can ensure that you're spending your time on the most important tasks and making progress towards your goals. Step 1 is to identify your goals and priorities. What do you want to achieve? What tasks are most important for reaching those goals? Once you've identified your priorities, use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. This will help you determine tasks to tackle first and which ones can wait.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.